Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to automate accounting with Xero. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So automating account in Xero saves a lot of time by reducing manual data entry, reconciling faster, and keeping your books up to date. So to automate bank feeds, simply connect your bank account and credit cards, PayPal or Stripe etc. to Xero. After this, simply transactions automatically are flown into your Xero daily. There is no manual import, always up-to-date cash flow by the help of this. You can also create spending and receiving rules to auto-categorize transactions. Example, payments to Shell Cash categorized as motor vehicle expenses. This saves time on reconciliation since Xero applies rules automatically. After this, you can automate invoice and payments by schedule invoices. Simply Xero sends automatic reminders for overdue invoices as well, and you can have this as your benefits. So this is how you can simply automate accounting with Xero. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.